Slow. Time to wash and start the glow.
Little toes touch water bright. Feels so warm and feels so right. Splash, splash, water play. Happy bath time every day. Wash, wash little hands. Clean and soft like golden sands. Bubbles form so soft and light. Floating gently, shining bright.
Wash the shoulders nice and clean. Softest skin you've ever seen.
Tummy clean with gentle care.
Rinse, rinse, wash away. Soap is gone, hip, hip, hooray!
All clean now, fresh and new. Bath time fun is done for you.
Little feet so clean and bright. Wiggle toes with pure delight.
Pat, pat, gently dry. Keep you warm, don't you cry.
Dry your hair so soft and neat. Now you're clean from head to feet.
Fresh new diaper, nice and clean. Keep you comfy day and night.
Ready now, you shine with light.
Brush your hair so soft and fine. Clean and fresh, you feel so light. Happy smile shine so bright.
Rock you softly, nice and slow. Peaceful feelings start to grow. Pat, pat softly on your back. Comfort is what you don't lack.
Clean and cozy, safe and sound. Happiness is all around. Gentle hum and cozy feel. Quiet moments, soft and real. Little bounce, so soft and slow. Happy feelings start to grow. Soft touch on your cheek. Little laugh so sweet and meek. All set now, clean and bright. Soft pat brings comfort near. You are safe, no need to fear.
Walk around so smooth and slow. Peaceful vibes continue to flow.
Hold you close up near my heart. Love is here.